There, I fixed it.
Your car's still sunken, yes.
Sally, do you got pop? Does pop make you all irritated? Do you get excited when you drink pop in the car? Huh? Do you? Are you getting... Ah! Sally Jean, what is the matter with you? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Huh? Huh? What are you doing?
That's Sally's pop. I want a piece.
Sally. Oh, that was a good girl, didn't bite Mommy. Sally Jean, do you got some pops? Oh, her got some pop. Sally, you got some pop in there. That's so naughty for you.
My goodness, there has to be in a little minute.
There should be a guardrail or something right there. Don't you think?
You would think. They probably figure the water's not deep enough if you flip upside down in there.
Yeah, but look at that.
Oh, shit.
That's pretty deep.
Big cement wall.
Hey, John, Barb.
Yeah, I think I've seen the navigator though.
The Amish house. I hate those spots on the windshield. The camera wants to focus on them. I can't help it. Because your windshield wiper sucks. Oh well. Such is life.
It's because they're frozen.
She liked them in the car the last time. They do have a diesel-y smell to them, though. Now that you mentioned it. I couldn't figure out what the smell was before. You know, it would have been a lot easier had I just got out the dash cam.
Just for shits and giggles.
Yeah?
Get out for a second.
Why?
You want to feel this?
No, I don't want to feel anything. I'm warm and cozy and in the car taking pictures. I do not want to walk out in that. Look at that. Do I want to get out and stand in it? Are you kidding me?
Stay, Sally. Stay.
Are you?
Where'd you go?
Behind you.
Stay.
Ooh, that's cold. Stay, baby. All right. Oh my. Eee.
Hold on to your hat. I wouldn't want to have to chase it.
Here, turn it around.
Ah, I touched one.
Dang it. What did you do? Damn it. Oh, it's still doing it. Don't touch the buttons. Look, no button here. Just enjoying the wind.
Thanks for stopping, though. Car. Jesus.
Don't
Whiz.
say the Lord's name in vain.
I said cheese whiz.
Okay, cheese whiz is fine.
My goodness.
Oh, my.
Wow, that windshield cuts.
Yes, it does. Whew. That was nice of our neighbors to stop.
Yeah, I was surprised.
Make sure that we're safe.
Hey, you wouldn't last long out there without drastic way.
They got their windows open.
What the hell? They cooking meth in there?
That is strange.
It is strange. Did you see the wind coming out of there?
Yeah, they must have another window open on the other side of the house. Maybe they're trying to air out something. Maybe somebody like you just used the toilet.
Somebody like you was cooking.
Which one's worse? I'll take the cooking. It's true. I'm not a great cook, and I do tend to burn the duck. Oops. Lots of debris in the road.
Yeah. Winter storms are fun, I think.
Well,
if you're dressed for it.
I had to go back after the power outage and turn Danielle's heater back on again because she doesn't think to do that after a power outage. Some more Amishes.
Oh, it looks even windier up there.
Yeah, it does.
There's stuff to do.
Oh, yeah. I think I'm done with my getting out.
Look how much worse it is.
I bet you the cows ain't out today. The Bollinger Farm cows.
No. Wow, it really is a blizzard now. Still not quite as bad as that day we had to go to the doctor. There's a tree branch.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's still moving.
There's some water too. Ooh, slow down, slow down. Ooh, now this.
This would be a place to stop, except someone will run into you. Up on my way to the pharmacy, the roads were completely dry, and on the way back, they were starting to look like this. If you want to look at it, now would be the time. Ripped everything in. Nice fence. It's not big enough.
There's a lot of low-lying water everywhere.
I was huddling in that little thing.
Lots of water, look at that. That's a pond.
It rained all night, and
The ground's saturated.
it's warm, so a lot of melting happened.
Oops, oops, oops. You're making the dog cry. You hear the dog crying?
Holy smokes. Ponding. Wow, look, it froze immediately to my mirror
Yep.
stuff. To my oh, there's a bunch of cars behind me. Someone's gonna crash there, I bet.
You can't see.
That's water from the field that came across
Right.
the road.
Watch for pedestrians. Pedestrians better be watching for me today.
Yeah, he's...
If there's pedestrians out there, they're dumb.
It's not survivable.
Yep, I wasn't expecting that. Is this some more? Or is it just wet? Truck for sale. Here's Teresa's house. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Teresa.
Semi truck. What's that doing?
I don't know. Old schools. That's kind of cool. I guess I never realized that was there. And there's the Bogarts. Hey, Julie and Ken.
I passed that car on the way to Carson City. He's been out driving around all day.
Or middle of a field. It doesn't normally have a lake there. There's another. Woo! Slow down.
Streets are getting dangerous.
Yeah, yeah. You sure you want to turn this way and don't want to just go back the way we came? Oh, no, then you'd have that water to deal with again.
Yeah.
Wow, gas sure did jump up again.
Yeah, dude. Yep, the roads are getting icy.
I could tell. And I'm not even driving.
It's dangerous. You can't see what you're going to run into. Be it a tree or a lake. Somebody's trash can. Yeah, it probably is good advice to stay off the road if you don't need to be.
Don't go out joyriding like we are.
Yeah. going the same speed as that snow there is. And I'm going 50.
So that would be one of those 50-mile-an-hour gusts that you've been hearing about.
Yep, they were right for once.
Remember, the roads are getting slick. There's that pond you were talking about. Yep, that's some pondage, all
Glacial time.
Yes, sirree. Oh. No more station wagon?
Well, he's always had the big van for the Amish people.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. The Amish people probably help him out a great deal when he needs it, because he helps them when they need it.
Yeah. That does look like a blizzard.
What? Just because there's blowing and drifting and snow and ice
I
and
just got
sleet.
snow in my face. There's water.
Ah! Well, that wasn't helpful. Now I can't see out the window at all. It just froze right there. If you don't hear it.
I just got splashed in the face with water here.
Shut your window.
Luckily, the tour is almost over. I'm pretty sure that last lake was on the road an hour ago.
Oh, the deers are hiding today, too.
Some low-lying spot somewhere.
Probably
Like it.
surrounded by trees and brush to shield them from the wind.
In somebody's barn. There's a good
The
spot.
Stearns is
Open the door and 50 deer come running up.
peak.
I swear they were playing poker. Wow, this is getting bad.
Tree damage from the last storm.
And this lake.
And his lake, yes.
Yep, the roads are getting.
Ooh, right here on the top of the hill ought to be nice and slick. And here we are back home.
Yep, that was a dumb idea.
Home sweet home.